Welcome to Scalix, your personal online storage for all your Scalix projects. Before you get started, it's worth taking a look at the user settings. Here you can define your language, your default construction site location, and your preferred units. The default construction site location is applied automatically whenever you create a new project, and the units will then apply to every one of your projects. To get started, select New Project. You can now enter the project information or create the project right away. Next, choose the appropriate module and create your first position. Your project is automatically saved to the cloud with every change. Via the project overview, you can return to the current project at any time and easily add further positions there. With a single click on the Scalix logo, you go straight back to your project list, and your project remains safely stored in the overview. Existing projects can be conveniently imported and loaded from files on your device. Using the project search, you can quickly find your projects by number or project name. And with the sorting function, you can arrange the list by number, project name, creation date, or last update, exactly as you like. You can edit, copy, delete, or export your projects at any time. If you'd like to remove several projects at once, simply tick the relevant checkboxes. Do you have any questions? Feel free to contact our product engineers or technicians anytime. We're happy to help.